All right, guys. Last little explanation for the day. So the secant tangent product theory. Essentially, if I have a secant line and a tangent line, so this is the tangent line, it's going to make a right angle here. That essentially, if I take the outside of the secant times the whole thing, that's going to equal this tangent line, this tangent line squared. So we're just going to prove that true. I'm going to do it again, as with the last two examples. We're going to go ahead and we're going to draw a couple lines here that'll make that a little bit easier to prove. So I'm going to draw these two lines right here, and that's going to help us understand a few things. Again, using some rules that we learned in the last few days, or hopefully learned in the last few days. I'm going to know that angle A, get that angle way out there, is equal to 1/2 arc BD. My second angle, I had these three letters just because there's a little bit of ambiguity. BDE. So when I say BDE, I mean this angle right here. Well, we also know that that intercepts this arc BD as well, right? And if you remember from last week, that is as well going to be 1/2 of arc BD. So I know that these two angles are congruent. So now I'm looking at two different triangles here. I know there's 1, 2, 3 triangles, okay? I want you guys to focus on triangle AED, this big whole triangle right here, right? And then the smaller triangle DBE. Well, if you look at those, they also both share angle E. So we have the two angles that we need to prove similarity. So I know the triangle, let's go AED. Okay, so again, the D in these two problems is going to be two different triangles. One's going to be this smaller angle, and the other triangle is going to be this bigger angle here. So just watch what that angle represents. So AED is congruent to, it's similar to DEB. And why? Because we have angle similarity. Okay? So again, what are we going to say? We're going to say AE, that long side, this long side. So AE is to this shorter side, DE, for this big triangle, AE, ADE, AED. So AE is to DE. Okay. And again, what is the longer side in the smaller triangle? Well, it's going to be the same thing. It goes from the one stripe angle to the more with the little hash mark on it. So that's going to be DE as well. So again, DE is the short side of the bigger triangle, the long side of the smaller triangle. Is DE is to BE. Okay, and then it's the same thing as last time. AE times BE is equal to DE times DE, which we're going to say is DE squared. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and post some of the questions now, and we'll take it from there.